Hello, Zen.
What the? How do you know it was me?
Of course, because you're the only one who is my student every Saturday morning.
Do you know
Okay.
where I am?
What?
Do you know where I am?
I think you are in your secret bunket. Am I correct? Or maybe you are in your bedroom.
Two. You got
Okay,
2 hours.
so where are you now, Zen?
Wait a minute. Into do that and then
Oh, where are you?
on the floor.
Oh, why are you lying in the floor?
I'm lazy.
Yeah, I see. Okay, so what time did you wake up then? What time did you wake up then?
I think 6 a.m.
6 a.m. Wow, that's too early.
I think it was 8 I think it was 8:30 a.m.
Ah, yeah.
So I sleep from 9 p.m. to I sleep for 10 hours.
Yeah, you sleep for 10 hours. Good for you, Zen, because last night I slept at 1 a.m. Yeah, and
Right.
today I wake up at what time did I wake up? I think that's 8 a.m. That's why I'm very late in our class. Okay, I'm very sorry for that, Zen.
Why
Okay.
not you didn't sleep? You are a bad teacher.
No, it doesn't make a bad teacher if you didn't sleep early.
Why did you sleep in 1 a.m.?
Yeah, because how can I say this one? My brother was too noisy during was too noisy last night. That's why I didn't sleep well. And I got home last night at almost 10 p.m. in Vietnam. Yeah. Almost
What?
10 p.m. I got home last night almost 10 p.m. So that's 11 p.m. here in the Philippines. Yeah. Okay. So how are you today, Zen?
Have sleepy.
A bit sleepy? Okay. Did you take a
Okay, what is wrong with the screen there?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll just move it. I'll just move right here. Okay, I'll move my okay, it's gone already. Yeah, I can still see some shadow. Okay. Did you take a bath already, Zen?
Yes.
Oh, wow, then why are you still asleep?
I did it.
Oh, that makes you a liar. Okay, so thank you for submitting your homework, Zen. I will check that one after our class. Okay, so now are you ready to continue our lesson?
Okay.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Okay. Because now the secret bunker is almost broken.
Oh, why did it get broken?
Almost.
Ah,
See?
yeah.
Now
Oh,
two entrance are equal.
yes. Okay, so now Zen, mm, we will continue our lesson in Unit 8 entitled The Hottest and Coldest Places. Okay, so last time we ended up here in our pronunciation slide. Is that right?
In our Japanese slide.
Japanese? What's Japanese?
Look, how do you read that?
This one,
Yeah,
pronunciation.
pronunciation.
Pronunciation bites. You read that one, pronunciation bites. Okay, so now then let's proceed.
No.
How do
I'm
you
not
read?
talking about.
What did you say?
I'm not talking about that. The bigger, and fatter letter.
Okay, so it is read pronunciation. It's just still the same with this one. This one on the lower part. Yeah, okay. So is it clear now?
Moment detected.
Okay, so let's
I'm like I'm
start
scared.
with this one. You take note. An apple is colder than chips, but an ice cream is colder than an apple. Okay, is this right? What do you think of this sentence here, Zen?
I think it's right.
Yeah, that's right. Do you eat an apple?
Nah, and I eat no fruit
Oh, why you don't like fruits?
because they're yucky. Like a ducky.
Why? How about vegetables? Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, but not spicy vegetable.
Ah, yeah. Okay, but you
Spicy.
know,
I do not play with spicy food.
I think there's no spicy fruit.
Hmm?
There's no spicy fruits.
No, I said spicy foods.
Ah, okay. I'm sorry. I misheard that one. Okay. So now then, but an ice cream is colder than an apple. Is this right also?
That is right.
Yes. Okay. So how about ice cream? Do you eat ice cream?
Yep. I
Oh,
only eat chocolate and white chocolate flavor.
I see. How about cookies and cream?
I eat cookie Oreos green.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. So who in this sentence then, who is the coldest? It's an
Ice cream.
yes, ice cream is the coldest. Okay, so we have this structure. Take note of this one then. Subject plus to be plus the plus adjective, then est of the adjective, just like coldest, plus noun or pronoun. Okay, we have this one. Sunny. Sunny is our adjective. Then sunnier is the comparative adjective. When we say comparative adjective, then
That means you are having a poop.
no.
That means you need to poop on the roof.
No. Okay. So when we say comparative adjective, you are comparing two things. Two things only. For example, Vietnam and
Kind like
Philippines. For example, Vietnam and Philippines. What's the weather there in Vietnam, in your city right now? Is it sunny or not?
It's party sunny.
Partly sunny. Oh, so here in my city, it's very sunny. Yeah, okay.
It's
So
party sunny.
Teacher AM City is sunnier than Zen City. Okay, so we compare our city. So that's two. Then we use sunnier. Do you understand?
Ow! My hand.
Oh, okay. So you sit down properly, Zen.
I cannot.
Why?
Because my hand.
What happened to your hand?
I accidentally fall down on my bed.
Mm.
In a twist one bed.
Yeah. Okay. So how about this one, Zen? Can you please read next to sunnier?
The sunniest.
Yes, the sunniest. So we call this one superlative. When
That
we
means you. That means you need to poop on your phone.
What?
That means you need to poop on your phone.
No, why are you talking about poop? Would you like to have poop right now?
No.
Okay, so don't say that one in our class because it's not the right time to say about that things. Okay, what's that? It's
Look.
an iPad. Am I correct, Zen?
Yep, that is my new one.
Oh, wow. What happened to your old iPad?
My iPad. Now I can something. Actually, when I'm on my keyboard, my iPad doesn't. I doesn't see the 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 end.
Mm, okay, so who bought you that iPad? Is it your mom or your dad?
Both.
Ah, yeah, okay. So
My
now the
mom bought it and my dad paid it.
mm, okay, so that's both because they gave effort, E for effort for the both of them. Okay, so now then let's go back with this one, the sunniest. So what do we call this one? It's, can you look at the screen, Zen?
Super Levis. And
Oh,
how to pronounce that.
okay. It's superlative.
Superlative. Hello.
Okay. So you say superlative.
Superlative.
Yeah, okay. So what is superlative? What do you mean by superlative? Can you look at the screen?
Three or more things.
Yes, three or more things. For
Okay.
example, just like our example, what's our example in so comparative? That is your city and my city. Okay.
In
For
another city.
what?
In another city.
Yeah. And if we add one city to both of our cities, so that is we will use the sunniest. For example, New York City is the sunniest among all. Okay, so that we compare three or more places. Do you understand, Zen?
Yes, I really understand.
Oh,
I'm
wow,
so
very good.
old.
Because you're so smart. So now then, we replace Y with I before we add EST to adjectives that end in Y. Okay, take a look at this one. Sunny, what's the end letter for this word?
A Y.
Yes, that's Y. So what will we do to Y? We change this one into
When it's just one Y and then there are two N.
I don't know. You ask, maybe you can ask the dictionary. But this is the correct spelling for sunny. Yeah. Okay, so we change Y to I. Kindly look at this one, Zen. We change Y to I before we add EST or ER. Can you follow?
Yes,
Okay,
I'm
very
looking at it.
good. So now let's proceed here. You're going to practice and complete the sentences with words from the box. Okay, so we have driest, coldest, sunniest, wettest, windiest, and hottest. You look at the picture. Okay, this is an example. What can you say in this picture? It's snow. It's snowy. Is that right? And it is in
Right.
Antarctica. Okay, so the answer is the coldest place in the world is Antarctica. Where did where did I get coldest? It's from the box. Can you see?
See.
Okay, very good. So now Zen, it's your turn to answer number 2. You read and answer number 2.
Look, I absolutely found this. See that? That.
What's that? Zukimon?
No, I think it's kind of, the animals look kind of Zukimon.
Ah, yeah.
But actually, I think it's not Zukimon.
Yeah. Okay, so now Zen, can you please read and answer number 2?
So this is what it looks like. It looks like a merch party animals.
Ah, yeah. I think that's is that an app? App.
Try searching on your phone.
Okay, maybe later I'll try to charge my phone now. Okay, so let's go back to
Is
number.
it charging now?
Yeah, I'll charge it now. Okay, so you can you please read number 2, Zen? The blank town is in India. It rains there a lot. So what's your answer for that?
The windiest town.
Okay, can you please write your answer inside the blank?
No,
Why? Do you know how to write in Zoom?
I know, but I don't know how to spell it. So can you please write it for me?
Oh, I think that's a lame reason. Okay, here we have, take a look at this one, Zen. You know how to spell it because you're going to look at this inside the box.
I
Okay, so
don't know how
instead,
to spell it.
you know because you're smart. What's your answer again in number 2? It's windiest. Is that windiest? Number 2, take a look at this picture. Take a look at this picture, Zen. What can you see in the picture?
What is picture 6?
What?
What is picture number 6?
Number 6. I don't know. We'll find that out later after you answer 2 to 5. Okay. So you focus now first in number 2. What can you see?
Windiest, but I don't know how to spell it.
Windy, yes. Okay. Are you sure this is windiest?
Yep.
Okay. So here is the word for windiest. Can you please write your answer inside the blank?
No, why you just let me do it?
Yeah, because I'd like to see if you can write.
I
Okay, so
don't.
this time I will be the one to write your answer. Okay, and for numbers 2 to 5, it's your turn to write. Okay, for number 3, can you please read, Zen?
No.
Mm, why you don't like to read?
Hardest. Next hardest. Can you please help me? Please.
Oh, you take a look at the picture. This picture will give you a clue. What
What
can you
clue?
What can you see in the picture? What's the weather in this picture? Is it rainy?
It's hot. But
Oh,
can
so
you
it's
please?
hot. Africa is the blank part of
Please.
the world. Okay, so I think it's mm, Wait.
I
I think
hope you
it's
don't get
funniest.
banned from Panendo something around for that.
Okay, I will be the one to answer number 3. It's sunny. Yes, I think it's sunny. Yes. How about number 4, Zen? Can you please read?
The 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 place in America to the wind there.
There's still
The wind, yes.
the wind there is.
Very, very strong.
Okay, can you please, what's your answer here? The blank place is Antarctica too. The wind there is really strong. So what's your answer?
Windy, windy, windy. Windy, windy, windy.
Windy or windiest?
Is there windy?
No, can you see there is no windy. It's only windiest. So what's your answer?
Windiest.
Okay, very good. How about number 2? Is this your final answer?
No.
Oh,
Can you tell me all the answers?
no.
Names?
No, 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 no. Okay, I'll read it for you. We have driest, sunniest, wettest, windiest, and hottest. Okay,
Wettest. Wettest for number 2.
wettest. Okay, very good. How about, oh, I think I'll change number 3. This is hottest, not sunniest.
See?
Okay. How about
You
number
do
5 then?
it is driest, I think.
Driest. Okay. Can you please write your answer? Why is it that teacher AM is always the one who write your answer?
Do it.
Okay. What's your answer again? It's
It, it is driest.
driest. Okay, there you go.
So what is number 6? Tell me.
Wait. Let's check first your answers. Okay, so for number 2, that's wettest. Number 3, it's hottest. Okay, windiest and driest. Wow, you got a perfect score, but it's teacher AM who answered number 3. So you got 4 out of 5. Okay, so let's take
Why?
a look
So
at
what is number
number.
6?
Okay, so here in number 6, take a look at the choices. What word is not included in the answers?
I cannot see it.
It's why? Can you please look at the screen?
Because this because it's kind of like the end that I cannot see.
Okay, so I'll read it for you. It's sunniest. So you will be the one to draw sunniest here. Yeah, so that's for number 6 then. Okay, very good. So how many rays for, no, 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 no. Okay, forget about my question. So now then, I want you to read numbers 1 to 5. Let's start with number 1 first.
Coldest.
No, 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 no. I mean the sentence.
The coldest place is in the world is Antarctica. Can you please go on to another page?
Nope. I want you to read this one first. Number 2, the wettest town.
The way it's how in India it's rain there a lot.
Very good. How about number 3? Okay, don't be too lazy, Zen. Okay, for number 4, we are almost done. Keep going.
The windy is placed in America,
Antarctica.
Antarctica, to be wind there very strong,
Okay, really, you say really.
really strong.
Okay, very good. How about number 5? Can you please read this one too? In Arizona,
In Arizona, it's always dry and sunny. What is Arizona?
I'm not sure. I think
It's dry and sunny, and then I cannot see.
okay. So Arizona is still it is part of the USA. Yeah.
Can you read that for me because I cannot read it?
In Arizona, it's always dry and sunny. It's the driest place in the USA. Can you see my screen completely or not?
Nah, nah.
Why? Okay, so now Zen, I'm going to ask you questions about numbers 1 to 5. What's the coldest place in the world?
Please do not ask more.
What?
Please.
Can you please repeat, Zen? Hello,
I
Zen.
can see.
Okay, so what's the coldest place in the world? It's?
Teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay. Teacher AM is not a place. Okay, what's the coldest place in the world, Zen?
No, teacher is a place. Why
Okay.
are you lying? Lying is not good.
Yeah, lying is not good. That comes from your mouth. Okay.
You are lying.
Mm.
Percent.
Okay, so Zen right now is playing dumb. Okay, so now Zen.
What did you say? Did you say?
Okay, so forget about what I said. Okay, what's
What
the
did you say
coldest
there?
place in the world? It's
Is teacher Ann.
no, it's Antarctica. I know you know the answer, Zen. You're just playing dumb. I think you're doing it in a hard
Why
way.
are you telling me I'm dumb?
Yeah. Because I know that you are smart, but you are pretending that you don't know the answer.
I'm not pretending.
Oh, because last time when I was about to introduce you the title of our lesson in this unit, you were able to answer Teacher AM, which is the coldest place in the world. And you said Antarctica. Yeah, I know that you know the answer, Zen. Okay, so do you have any question about this slide?
Yes.
Yep, so what's your question?
Why did you let me do it? I said you to move on, but you're just letting me to read that 1 billion times.
No, not 1 billion times. I was just making sure that you understand what you read. Yeah. Okay. So do you still have other questions? I think it's a no. So now then, let's take note. Difficult.
No.
more difficult, and the most difficult. Okay, take a look at these words. What is the comparative adjective for difficult? When we say comparative, that is two things only. We compare two things.
Okay.
Yes, so what's your answer, Zen?
My answer. Wait.
Is it
I'm getting so confused. I'm getting so confused.
okay. So it's good that you tell me
Wow.
honestly. When we say comparative for difficult, that is more difficult. Okay? Do you understand now?
Yes, I was getting some problems there.
Oh, what's your problem? You mean about this adjective?
No, I was going to I was going into Zoom, but I accidentally go into YouTube.
Mm.
That was an accident.
Yeah. Okay. So did you do that one during our class now or recently before I entered Zoom?
In our class.
Oh, that's why you cannot answer my question. Okay. So put that away, your iPad, and you need to focus in my screen. Okay.
I already take my iPad out.
Okay, very good then. Thank you for doing that one. Okay, so what's the comparative adjective for the word difficult? It's
More difficult.
very good. How about this one? The most difficult. What do we call this one? It's
Oh, it's the most difficult.
okay, so we call this one superlative. Can you please repeat?
Superlative.
Yeah.
Superlative.
Okay, so I will say it again then. When we say superlative, we compare that one in a group or three or more persons. Okay. So now we don't add est to long words, just like difficult. We cannot say difficultest. Yeah, because it's wrong. Okay, so we add more or the most. Take note then that when it comes to superlative for long words, you put the before most. You put the before the adjective, just like this one, the most. Can you follow?
Yep.
Okay, very good. So
Yep. 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 Yep.
we have
Yep.
this
Yep. Yep. Yep.
structure
Yep.
then.
Yep. 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 Yep.
Okay, subject plus to be plus the most plus adjective plus noun or pronoun. Okay, so what is subject?
Subject.
Yeah. Here's my question to you. What is subject?
Subject is S.
Ooh, I think that's how can I say that one? It's a
Wrong.
clever. No, 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 no. That is correct, but it's a clever way to answer my question. Okay, so when we say subject, it is a person, place, or thing that we talk about our sentence. Okay, so when we say to be, these are we use is or are for this one. We call this one linking verb. And the most, which is the superlative adjective, then the adjective. When we say adjective, it is a word that we use to describe something. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, again, what is subject?
It S.
No, 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 no. I will not accept that answer anymore because I already explained to you the meaning of subject. What is subject, Zen?
It's S.
I mean the meaning.
The meaning?
Yeah.
Mid. I forgot.
Oh. Okay, so I'll repeat it again. I hope that you will uh answer my question after this. Okay, so when we say subject, it is a person, a place, or a thing that we talk about in our sentence. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so what is subject again?
It's a thing or an animal or a person or a place that we talk about in our sentence.
Okay,
Hey.
wow, very good, Zen. You nailed it. Okay, so now we have this example. She's
Get
the
it?
most, yes, I get it. Okay, so she's the most beautiful girl in the class. Take a look at this example, Zen, which is our subject.
You
Moment of
said I am a
silence.
girl.
No, 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 no. This is just an example. When we say example, that is not based in reality. Okay, so how about this one? She's the
Okay.
most beautiful girl in the class. Okay, so which is our
Are you talking
subject?
about me?
No. No. Okay, so can you please read this example first?
I don't have a baby.
Yeah, I'm not asking you if you have a baby.
I do not have a baby.
Yeah, because you are the only baby of your parents. Okay, so now Zen, take a look at this example. What is our subject here?
Subject. You are the ugliest. You are the ugliest woman in the class.
Okay, so in your example, what's your subject?
In my example, teacher AM is the most ugliest woman in the world.
Okay, so that is correct. So now, which is your superlative adjective in your example?
You.
Nope. So when we say superlative adjective, that is this one. Okay, so what's your superlative adjective?
Hmm? What did you say? Can you please say it again?
In your sentence, did you remember your sentence, the one that you say?
Okay.
Okay, so what's your superlative adjective?
Is Miss TAM is the most ugliest.
Yes, that is your sentence. Okay, so teacher AM is the subject. How about your superlative? What's your superlative?
Ugliest.
No, that's not the superlative. Try again, Zen. What's the superlative? Ugliest is the adjective.
The most ugliest.
Yes, that is the superlative. Okay. So thank you for giving that example, Zen. How about this one? It's the most beautiful picture in the book. Which is our subject here?
Our subject is the book. Our subject is the book.
Okay, I will accept this one. But book is our noun or pronoun. Ah, no, 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 no. Yes, you are correct. This is subject. How about this one? It's.
It's it is also
Are you watching video during class?
no,
Okay, so what's
no.
the thing that I heard?
That was some kind of artist's house.
Okay. What is our subject here, Zen? It's this one. Okay, take a look at the structure. So it's this one. It's is our subject. The book is our noun or pronoun. Okay, so what do you call this one, Zen?
We call that the most beautiful.
No, 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 no. What do we call this the most?
The
It's
most. It's the most.
okay. So you say it's the superlative.
It's the superlative.
Okay, how about this one? Beautiful. What do we call this word?
Beautiful.
Okay, so this is adjective.
Adjective.
Okay, again, I'll repeat it to you. Adjective. I'll write it here so that you will
Adjective.
not forget. What is adjective? Do you know?
I forgot. I don't know.
Okay, so when we say adjective, these are words that we use to describe someone or something. Okay.
That's a long word.
Okay, I'll make it short for you so that you will remember. Okay, words that we use to describe someone or something. What is adjective again, Zen? Take a look at the screen. Well,
It's a word to describe someone something.
okay, very good. Can you please give me an example for adjective?
Adjective is someone is a word to to describe someone or something.
Okay, I'll give my example then. Example for adjective is pretty, ugly. What else? Kind. Okay, these words are example for adjective. Okay, can you please give me your own example?
My own example.
Yeah, a word that belongs to adjective. Give me a word.
Teacher I am.
No, teacher AM is a noun. Noun or the
Someone.
subject. What?
Someone.
Someone. No,
Just
someone is
someone.
still subject.
A chair?
No, a chair is still a subject. Okay, take a look at the meaning of adjectives then. These are words that we use to describe someone. For example, teacher AM is ugly. Okay, so ugly is the adjective that we use for teacher AM. Zen is kind. Zen is the subject. Then we use kind to describe Zen. Do you understand?
Now I understand.
Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Can you please give me an example for adjective? Only one word.
Wait me a bit, okay?
Okay.
Let me think, let me think, let me think. I'm thinking. I'm
Okay,
thinking.
I'll give you the time to think.
I'm thinking. I'm thinking. I'm thinking.
Maybe I'll count up to 5. 1.
No. Please, please do not. Teacher AM, how do we spell words?
Works? You mean
Words.
words?
Yes.
WORDS.
WORDS, right?
Yes.
So how do we spell for? Come like for you or something.
FOR. Okay, I'll give you the time to search that one on the internet, Zen.
I'm not searching it.
Okay.
I'm not searching.
Okay. How do you describe your mom?
Wait a minute. I'm just thinking. 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 I'm just thinking.
Okay, would you like me to help you?
No. I don't want any help. Let
Okay.
me just think. Let me just think. Let me just think. Let me
Time is
just
running,
think.
Zen.
Big.
Big. Okay, very good. That is adjective. So now I want you to use big in a sentence.
The elephant is the biggest in this
Okay,
world.
very good. That is
Because I use this. I use Google.
yeah, that is an excellent example. Very good, Sen. Okay, do you have any question about this slide?
Yes.
Yep, so what's your question?
Why did you say if I search for Google? That's a very good. That's cheating.
No. I said that you're doing good because you were able to answer my question. And I appreciate that you find your own way to answer Teacher AM. That
It's
is
fine.
cheating if we are having an exam, but we are just doing a lecture or a discussion, so that is not cheating because you ask help from Google. So I allow that one. It's allowed in our class, but during exam you cannot do it because it's already called cheating. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay, so now Zen, do you still have other questions?
No,
Okay, let's
but I
proceed.
found this.
Yeah, what's that?
It's kind of like golden animal toys. Something. I found that.
Okay, what's the name of that animal?
There.
Okay, hello Zen. Welcome back.
I got thrown out.
Okay. So I think I didn't notice that it's already time. Yeah. Okay. So do you have any questions about our discussion with adjectives?
No.
Okay, so we will end here, and next time we will continue with part D. Okay, goodbye, Zen. Thank you so much for joining our class today. Enjoy.
Are we at page 12 yet?
Wait, let me check. We are still in slide 8, so next time we will continue with slide 9.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So goodbye, Zen. Keep safe always and enjoy your
Bye bye.
weekend. Bye.